Hi, today I have Realme 7 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. We start with opening calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event. We can change view for a month and tap on it, maybe 20th of October, and there this plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. There we can access this event about what is it. To our group it's about our home, family or something like that. There we can set it will be all day event, or we can set when event start, in which time and finish. Next step, we can tap on repeat and choose repeat if we want. There we can add this event to people calendar of our friends or something like that. There we can set location of event, where is it, a notification to that, maybe days before, and we can add more than one and set how we won't get notification about it, description to that, and after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.